Hello everyone, here in this video we'll discuss how to install Figma on a Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To install Figma, open Google Chrome browser and visit figma.com/login. Don't worry about the link, I'll provide the link in the description box. Now here on the address bar, you will find download button, simply click on it. And here you should get installation window. To install Figma on your Chromebook, simply click on install button. After that, it will be installed on your Chromebook. If you want, you can simply pin this Figma icon to the Chromebook shelf. For that, right click on it, then click on pin. Also, you can open Figma from the app launcher. For that, click on launcher icon and here look for Figma application and simply open the application. Now to use it, simply create a Figma account. If you are using Figma for the first time, then simply fill up some basic information. After that, you are ready to use Figma on your Chromebook. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.